I'm just gonna unbox a new laptop that I bought today, ASUS VivoBook. So let's see what we can do. Try to get everything sorted first. Okay, so we're just gonna open this. Okay, so inside you can see this back, 3 bags. Then, okay, it's actually an ASUS bag given for the laptop. So, and also we do have another box here that shows us VivoBook ASUS. The book is quite neat though. I do love seeing it being put here, and also the back is inside, so it's easier for you to, when you bought without a plastic bag, it's easier for you to bring back home. So I think it should be something like that. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the laptop. I'll get this through later. So what we have over here is the box. This is actually HDD kit, so what I bought is with SDD, so in case if you want to have an extra thing over here, you should be able to use this. So you can see inside. So it's just part of mechanical that you can actually put inside the laptop later if you need that to be used. This is just an extra thing that they give. So obviously we're gonna have first edition 2019 user guide. Everything will be informed inside about the batteries, the specification and stuff. And also another one, which is a quick start. Usually I do purchase i5 to get with 10th generation, so this is just normally showing you how to start up the laptop with the cables. So let's see, inside here, okay, we do have the cable here, the plugs. It does have a small adapter, so it will be very nice for you to put in a very small place, and also a simple one to plug in into the laptop. Okay, so basically we are back with the bags, so we're just gonna look inside what the bag has to offer. Basically a simple bag with a strap, zero. So the design is pretty much normal for a laptop bag. So we have a very small compartment zip here for the cabling and stuff. See, it's quite big. Looks nice. Let's see. So this is basically inside the bag. It's normal. It's normal slot here. That will be your laptop slot, and in front will be like notebook or whatsoever that you need to. So that's the bag. It's very simple. Okay, so let's look at the laptop. So they will give you this small bag. So I bought the color of peacock blue. So this is how it looks like basically. With Windows original and all the serial numbers. Yeah, that would be the model though. So let's try and open. Okay, so that would be i5 10th generation. So this basically is for your fingerprints. So it will be this one, Ergo Leaf, NOH. This is quite good though, so because if you see, this is your normal laptop and you need that to be, so it will automatically make your keyboard goes up a little bit, so it will be easier for your view. So that will be the screen with FHD. So let's try to turn on. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Basically, I did get the shop to set up for me before I bring it back home. So my name has been set up. So like I say, this will be a fingerprint. So I did set it up. So I'm just gonna put my fingerprint. There you go. So you do have this. So everything will be here. It's the same. Okay. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.